Good morning, guys. We're just going to get a cappuccino inside. One sec.
How you going, mate?
Okay.
What up?
This is electric bike.
600? 500?
Which one? The
Money.
26.
260?
2600.
The battery,
The but
when it goes down, you do it in 3 or 4 hours. Battery?
the battery can reach up to 50 kilometers.
Yeah.
One fully charged,
Yeah.
it can reach up to 50 kilometers.
And?
It depends on the mode
Oh,
because there is a maximum power
yeah.
can reach up to 50, but the low power can reach up to 100 kilometer. Yeah, for my daily use, like going to work, roaming around the area, it lasts for 7 days.
Yeah. On the hill?
Yeah, on Misery Hill, it's easy. It feels like you are pedaling in a flat surface.
Yeah.
It's good.
Anyway, be careful, mate. Be careful.
Yeah, thank you. Yeah. Yeah, I just got the cappuccino from Woolworth and it cost me $6, including the croissant. Yeah, some of the trees are starting to get their leaves. You can see that, but some are still not. Yeah, they're starting to grow their leaves. Amazing. But I know that in some parts of Australia, like in Mount Buller, in Victoria, and still in Kosciuszko Mountain, it's still snowing these days. Now, the improvements that they are doing in this area is already done, just growing the grass, but the staircase here, they are still doing some improvements. Yeah, nice. They changed it because before, last time, it was straight going down, but this one there is something like a flat on the middle, and at the moment a lot of people, especially on that side, a lot of tourists, especially tourists mostly. And look at this, something I noticed. Yeah, I know I don't speak good English, I don't even write good spelling, but even Australian or even American who speak English as their first language, they sometimes get to do some words like that. Wrong spelling, mate. Pedestrian. I'm actually here waiting for all the people to get down here so that I can bike smoothly. Yeah, so that I don't disturb them when I'm on the way. They actually give 1 hour and 30 minutes allowance for me to get to work because I dropped by in Woolworth. I bought this cappuccino and we are here. It took me 30 minutes to have this cappuccino. They are busy in there. Good morning. Sir. Yeah, a lot of people are walking around here. Yeah, nice. Color of the water from this side is light blue and dark blue on that side. Really beautiful looking in here. Yeah, there's one lady walking with her swimming suit and a group of guys on that side. They are playing something I don't know. And this couple, yeah, we're going to eat it somewhere on that side, maybe near to my workplace. We are now here in the vicinity of my workplace. We're just going to have this cappuccino and this croissant. Look at that. This is ham and cheese croissant. They put in the toaster and it's become flat, very flat like this. Guys, it is now 10:10. I'm preparing my breakfast, lunch. Garlic is burning now. I have here some leftover rice. This one is coming from the fridge, so it is hard. Yeah, it's hard. And I have here frozen bacon and sausage, and bacon and hot dog. This one is enough. Just one. It's totally burned now. Put it back. Whoa, banana bread. Why you are wondering why I put it in the rice cooker. It's not hot enough, so I'm going to heat it. Yeah, I'll just make it hot and yeah, go back to my room because room is the most comfortable place to stay with this temperature. Yo, good morning guys. We are day off today and you're just roaming around the area. The time now is 9 o'clock and it's very windy at the moment.
Why?
Yeah, this is the house of Inigo. This is the house of Chef Matt. Inigo is living here also with him.